Hi, my name is Mike Raper, Brand Director for North Foils. First up, stay up. Introducing the Loft Pro, the power to unlock borderline sessions, lift you up instantly in the lightest of winds and keep you on the foil for longer. Wing designer Dano See is going to introduce us to the new Loft Pro. And Dave Little from North Sales Advanced Textiles, who's going to introduce us to the Enweave 45 airframe.
24 Loft Pro. The main focus for the Loft Pro was to make it more lightweight and more efficient and have more low end power to be the ultimate light wind wing. The Loft Pro is an evolution of the Nova light wind wing. We reduced the weight of the Loft Pro by changing the leading edge Dacron to the Enweave 45. We also reduced the bladder weight and we used the thinnest TPU on the market, and we used a very lightweight canopy. We really wanted to reduce the weight so the rider was more agile and can use the wing easier in transitions and carrying it to the beach. But not only that, is that by changing the LE material and making it stiffer, it makes the wing more efficient when pumping and gives you more of a direct feel through the gusts and through the wind to get you up gliding faster. We took a lot of the shape out of the canopy, just the curve, so there's not that excess material there once you power it up. And by doing this, we're tightening the whole frame and tightening all the canopy. So this gives you a more direct feel, especially when you're pumping and you're on the low end and you're trying to get up on the glide. Yeah, so we have the Hyperflow inflation system on the LE and the strut. So just in case you wanted to, you could add a bit more pressure to the strut versus the leading edge, and rapid deflation, you can get the wing packed into your car faster. With the carbon handles, you have even more direct contact with the wing. So not only do we have a stiff frame and a tight canopy, you throw in the carbon handles and you have an instant reaction, even more so than alloy handles. It's lighter weight, and just when you hit the gust or you pump, it's just an even more instant feeling of drive forward. So with the wingtips, we've reduced the amount of sections in the wingtip also, like the leading edge, and this creates further stiffness and more weight reductions. By having the wingtip sort of forward of the strut, this stops the wingtip catching easily in the water, but it also allows the span to be shorter. So we're pushing a lot of sail area forward and away from the trailing edge almost to stop the wingtip catching. So the Loft Pro comes in two sizes, only 7 and 8 metre. The 8 metre is designed for a heavier rider and the 7 for a lighter rider, and these are designed for the maximum efficiency at those sizes.
Enweave 45 is a new low elongation, high tensile strength woven UPE fibre with a UPE X-ply reinforcement. The Enweave 45 airframe creates a stiff, light rig that holds its shape when under load and has highly efficient power delivery. We've inserted 45-degree X-ply UPE fibres during the lamination process. The material has exactly the same weave as the original Enweave material, but adding the X-ply fibre gives you double the stretch resistance on a 45-degree bias direction than a traditional Dacron. Enweave 45 is still 30% lighter than traditional Dacron. This weight savings translates into greater performance, more efficient power delivery in light air, and makes the wing easier to handle in all conditions. Enweave 45 is not just stretch resistant, it's also strong, tough, and has very high and cut abrasion resistance.